In this lecture, we will talk about filters. First, let's create a database query. Select all from orders. Let's preview the dataset. And hit OK. The next step is to design a report. Enter the titles into the title row and drag the corresponding data to match the title row. Of course, we can select all and drag it only once. To make it look good, add inner and outer border to the report and center aligned. Then we click Preview. This is a report we created. Then we will introduce two ways to set up the filter. The first way is to double-click the cell, hit Filters, then we can add conditions to it. The second way is to single-click the cell. On the left side there is cell element. At the end there is filter conditions. Hit Edit. We can also set the conditions. We will use some specific examples to show you how to set up the filter. Double-click A2 and set Filter. Add a filter condition for it. We change the available column to amount and operator to greater than, and set it to be 50,000. Click Add. And we can see the filter condition appears below. Click OK and preview the report. We can see only the data have amount greater than 50,000 are showing. Then we set up a second filter. Double-click A2 and select Filter. Choose Shipport as the column and in as operator. Set the string to A and B. Click OK and we can see the new filter condition appears. Let's preview the report, and we can see only the data of Shipport in A and B and amount greater than 50,000 appears. We can see there is a small triangle at the lower left corner of A2. That means the cell A2 has the filter conditions. Other than the common ways to set the filter, we can also use formula. Click on Formula and enter the corresponding formula. For here, we want the month equal to 4. Check the validity of the formula. It is legal. And click Add. Hit OK and preview the report. We can see the data that satisfying all three conditions. Of course, we can modify the filter condition. Click Filter and choose the second condition and change in to not in. Hit Modify and then OK. Take a preview and we can see the Shipport becomes C and D. Also, we can combine the filters by press Shift and click on the first two conditions. Then hit Add Brackets. We can see those two conditions are combined, which means it should be satisfied at the same time. We can hit Remove Brackets to cancel the combination as well. We can also select the condition of greater than 50,000 and hit Remove to delete the condition. Hit OK and preview the dataset. We can see the data of amount less than 50,000 will also appear here.